Okay, so today we are going to go over metric units of capacity and mass. So I know previously we went over metric units of length, but today we're going to go over measurements with capacity and mass. That's what things are holding in within the amount that is within an object, okay? So let's go over our measurements. We have 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, okay? 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Next, we have 1 gram. 1 gram is the same as 1,000 milligrams, okay? So 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams, and vice versa. 1,000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram, okay? 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Again, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So this is the chart that you will need to know in order to complete your assignments. You are required to convert different metric units in your assignment. So it's important to understand this chart and get used to this chart. Okay, so let's go over some things that can be used with measuring each of the metric units. So looking at the items you can measure using milliliters. You have like cups of coffee, or when you're measuring like tablespoons of different types of foods, or even if you're measuring something, ingredients for, like, say you're baking a cake, you can use those measuring milliliters. Say for instance like salt or sugar or some flour, you can use milliliters to measure. Okay, next, items you can measure using a liter. For example, you can measure this using soda or water or milk. You usually hear I'm going to buy a 2-liter soda. Those things, that soda is measured in liters, okay? So next, let's look at items you can measure using a gram. This is, for instance, things such as an envelope, a paper clip, a hat, even a pen or a pencil can be measured in grams, okay? Items you can measure using a kilogram would be things such as a lion or a tiger or a truck. This is what you're measuring within the mass. Kilograms can also be converted into pounds, but that's a fun fact to know for you. But we're focused on kilograms. So you can measure things such as a truck, a human, or even an animal, okay? And the other one that we did not go over, the metric unit that we did not go over, is milligrams. Milligrams are items that can be usually measured in milligrams are things such as medicine and vitamins. So whenever you need to go buy some medicine or get some vitamins from the store, you usually see that it says milligrams. Those vitamins and medicines are measured in milligrams, okay? So I know I said earlier that we were going to convert different metric units in your assignment, so let's go over an example. I have here, it says, how many grams are in 3 kilograms, okay? So I already know that there is one kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, okay? Again, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 kilograms. Or 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Next, what you will have to do is, you already know you have 3 kilograms. So all you need to do is multiply that 3 by that 1,000 to see how many grams are within 3 kilograms. So you need to do 3 times 1,000. And 3 times 1,000 gives you 3,000, okay? And so therefore, there are 3,000 grams in 3 kilograms, okay? There are 3,000 grams in 3 kilograms, okay? So it's always important for you to understand the chart, get familiar with all the metric units within the chart for mass and capacity. Know how to be able to convert. This is how you convert your grams, your kilograms to grams, knowing how much is within each metric